right, everybody, welcome back. We are diving deep today, and we're going to be talking all about burpees.
Burpees.
I know some of you are out there groaning already.
Yeah, a lot of people have a love-hate relationship with them.
Yeah, they're known for being tough, but we're going to kind of unpack why they're so effective and really what makes this exercise so powerful for a full body workout.
Yeah, I mean, I think one of the interesting things that I saw in the research is that they burn a ton of calories.
Okay.
Like up to 50% more than your typical kind of cardio session.
Wow, 50% more.
Yeah.
That's a lot. So tell me more about that. What is it about the burpee that makes it so effective?
Yeah, so, it's one of these things where it's almost like a multivitamin for your workout. It's not targeting one thing. You're getting cardiovascular benefit. You're getting strength benefit. You're also working on agility coordination. And then, we talk about strength, but it's not just strength. It's core strength, which is so important for, stability and balance and preventing injuries.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So for anyone listening who's like, wait, what are you guys talking about? Paint me a picture.
Yeah.
What does a burpee actually look like?
Yeah. So
if I've never done one.
You're standing up, you're going to squat down, you're going to kick your feet back into a plank position.
Okay.
You're going to do a push-up, you're going to come back to that plank, and then you're going to jump up.
And repeat.
And repeat, exactly.
Why do we do this to ourselves?
Well, I think, one of the reasons why people love them or hate them, I guess, is because they're so efficient.
Okay.
So, if you're really strapped for time, even doing a couple sets of these can give you a really phenomenal workout without, spending hours in the gym.
So you're saying even if someone's really busy, they can still get a great workout with burpees? I'm thinking now if I only have 15 minutes, I can squeeze in a few burpees. That's a big difference. But are they worth the pain?
That's a good question.
What do you think, listener?
I think
tough but effective. Tough but effective, is that the trade-off?
I think so, yeah. And I think, they're definitely not for the faint of heart.
Right.
But I think that intensity, is where the magic happens. You really push your limits, and the payoff is significant in terms of, both the physical results, but also I think just a mental toughness.
Absolutely. Yeah. You definitely feel like you've accomplished something when you've done a set of burpees.
Totally.
I have to ask, are there modifications for those of us who maybe aren't ready to go full burpee beast mode?
Absolutely. So there are a ton of ways to modify them to fit your fitness level.
Yeah.
You can start by maybe stepping back to that plank instead of jumping. You can do a push-up against a wall. Really the key is to listen to your body and gradually kind of increase that intensity as you get stronger.
That's a good reminder. So to wrap up, burpees, while they're undeniably challenging, are a super efficient full body exercise that can torch those calories, build strength. And what do you think, listener? Could you see yourself incorporating burpees into your routine? Even with those modifications, the benefits are pretty enticing.
Definitely food for thought.
All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
See you next time.
All right, everybody. Welcome back.